How to set default printer in your Windows. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial to do so you may follow this method. First of all, we can go to our settings, and once we access our settings, we can go to Bluetooth and devices option, and within there just go over and select the option for printer and scanners and find your printer in the list. Once we find it out, we can select the option for set as default if you find your printer, and just go over and set it as default from the section, and make sure that you need to allow Windows to manage your default printer is turned off at the top. If that is turned on, Windows will automatically change the default printer to the last used ones. Another method we can use is we can use control panel, press Windows plus R, there type in control, printers, hit enter, and once you do so, you can right click on your printer that is available to you and select the option for set as default printer from here as well. If you have added your printer, you can just go over and set it as default. That is also possible. Apart from that, we can use command prompt, which is advanced. We can go to Windows plus X, go to Windows Terminal Admin, hit enter, and give access, and type in this command WMIC printer, where name should be your printer. I'm just typing it like this, but set your printer name and type in this command right here by call set default printer and press enter, and that should do it. And that's it everybody. Those are the methods you can follow to set default printer in your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.